Mexican food.
This is Mexican food.
Beef burrito, chicken quesadilla, smash taco.
Okay, okay.
And ano ini?
Nachos.
Nachos sir, beef nachos.
Okay, okay. Describe the food. Kahit ano Tagalog, okay lang. Ito, kwek-kwek, siomay, ako na magkasalita. May pure foods hotdog, the red one, and some other, okay.
Grilled balut.
Brace balot, ano, what's,
Grilled balut.
ano yung nasa taas?
Sweet chili garlic.
Okay, okay. Sige. And corn, okay, corn. Ito naman. And this is, bola, yeah, fish, yeah. And this one, ano yun, hotdog, pure foods hotdog, siomay, pareho lang. Ito sili, and some noodles. No vegetarian, pork, yeah, pork or chicken, yeah, okay. Ito naman, stop ko na. And this is for the pregnant women where they wanna eat some, ano ba ito? Mahirap mag-English. Naubusin English ko. Okay. Oh, this is the same kwek and fishball and blah blah blah, you know. Yeah. And this is lechon. This is pork, yeah, pork lechon, and very nice, yeah. This is the best food, and the pansit. And this is takoyaki. Ano, sana. What is this?
Chicken sisig.
Chicken. Sarap.
Chicken sisig, tuna sisig,
The best.
salt and pepper chicken.
Oh, the best. Tuna, pwede ako. Mamaya.
Sige po.
And the corn, yan. Yung ano ka lang. Kukompletohin ko na. So, these are drink mixes para sa mga alcoholic, okay? For the alcoholic, yeah. Best, the ube with mango and puto bongbong, and yeah, the purple, yeah, whatever. Oh, this is buko juice, obviously.
Yeah,
Because the entire island is made out of buko trees.
with milk, without milk, no sugar, no preservative.
Okay. Smiles.
Yeah,
And finally, the road going to General Luna. And mostly the same snacks and intestines and hot dog and barbecue, pork barbecue, yeah. Inihaw. Inihaw means barbecue, yeah. And this is the kwek, quail egg, okay. And this is the entrance to Sunset Bridge. The sun is about to set in a few minutes. All the people, there's gonna be a lot more people later. This is going to General Luna. So this is Sunset Bridge, almost sunset. So this is the vibe right now. Okay, almost. I'm getting impatient. There's some swimmers and surfers and some selfies here. Somebody's flying a drone here too. Still too early here. There's a cop here warning people illegal parking. And there's that DJI drone operator there. And this is the sunset on the Sunset Bridge in Siargao. Okay, a few more minutes. Still to, I think this is a good enough shot of the sunset here in Siargao. And this is the cop. We call him 50 here. There's 3 drones here. A lot of crazy people in Siargao. And this drone, this drone just landed. Oh, that one is still hovering in front of the 50. And I just missed the sunset. Okay.